Step-by-step tutorial, importing home automation and smart devices into the USA. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the regulations for importing home automation and smart devices into the United States. This is a topic that can be a bit confusing, so I'm going to do my best to break it down into simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of the rules and regulations that you need to follow in order to import these devices legally. What are home automation and smart devices? Home automation and smart devices are electronic devices that can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or other device. These devices can be used to automate tasks around the house, such as turning on lights, adjusting the thermostat, or playing music. Some of the most popular home automation and smart devices include smart thermostats, smart lights, smart plugs, smart speakers, smart security cameras. Why are there regulations for importing these devices? There are a few reasons why there are regulations for importing home automation and smart devices into the United States. First, these devices can pose a potential security risk. If they are not properly secured, they could be used by hackers to access your personal information or control your devices remotely. Second, these devices can interfere with other electronic devices. If they are not properly certified, they could cause problems with your Wi-Fi network or other devices in your home. Finally, these devices can contain hazardous materials. If they are not properly packaged and labeled, they could pose a risk to workers who handle them during shipping. What are the regulations for importing these devices? The regulations for importing home automation and smart devices into the United States are complex and constantly changing. However, the following are some of the key things you need to know. All home automation and smart devices must be certified by the Federal Communications Commission, FCC. This certification ensures that the devices meet certain safety and performance standards. All home automation and smart devices must be labeled in English. This labeling must include the device's name, model number, and manufacturer's contact information. Home automation and smart devices that contain hazardous materials must be properly packaged and labeled. Home automation and smart devices that pose a potential security risk must be properly secured. How can I import these devices legally? The best way to import home automation and smart devices legally is to work with a reputable importer. This company will be familiar with the regulations and will be able to help you navigate the process. If you decide to import these devices yourself, you will need to be aware of the following. You must obtain the proper permits and licenses. You must comply with all of the applicable regulations. You must be prepared to pay import duties and taxes. Importing home automation and smart devices into the United States can be a complex process, but it is possible to do it legally. By following the guidelines in this video, you can avoid any potential problems and ensure that your devices are properly imported.